Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a whitening body wash. To make this body wash, I'm going to use my shredded soap and the shredded soap I used is my product, papaya soap. You can get it online on ST. I'm going to put the link on the video down below in case you want to buy any of this soap. It's a natural soap. It doesn't have any, can I say, bleaching powder or elements on it, but papaya lightens your skin. It glows your skin and make your skin smooth and fresh. And I'm going to also use this my charcoal and buttermilk soap. It's so nice, especially when you have acne. It has bergamot in it. It has lavender. I also added tea tree and peppermint oil on it. I'm also going to use my lightening powders. I'm going to list it in the below. This one does not bleach your skin but makes your skin lighten, makes your skin glow. What you want is to fed off all those melasma and take away all those black spots from your skin. And I'm going to also use my infused water, distilled water. This is infused rose water. You can also buy rose water in the market if you so. The most important thing is for you to use water, and the water should be a distilled water. 2 tablespoons of carrot seed oil. You can get it online. You can see that carrot seed oil is orange in color. So I'm going to need a bowl. A glass bowl should be heat-proof bowl that you can use, or pot, or anything you have. You don't need a specific type of bowl, but that's heat-proof bowl. You can also use a plastic that is very thick. I'm going to start by taking this, pouring it into the bowl. After pouring it, I'm going to add the water. I'm going to add the water in it. I'm going to cover it and wait for some time. It's now on the double boiler. I used I added more water to it, about more half cup water to it. Now it's 1 cup of water. So I'm going to leave it here to simmer. So hello guys. So as you can see, the soap is about to melt down. You see how it looks like. I'm going to leave it for like 5 minutes and come back and check. I want it to get completely melted, guys. The soap is almost melted down. You can use it like this. It's still very thick, as you can see, because I'm going to put it in the bottle, but it doesn't matter. I think I'm going to leave it this way. So I have added the whitening powders, the powders that glows the skin, that will make your skin smooth and help you fight those dark spots, melasma, hyperpigmentations, and help acne too. So if you want to buy our soap, you can go online and you can go to Fifi Naturals on Etsy, or go to our page Fifi Naturals and buy our products. So I don't need any more water again. You see what I'm talking about? Do not add any water. I've already added one. I'm going to list the recipe down. So, and the size of soap that you're going to use. You can use any soap you have. You don't need any specific. You don't need any specific type of soap to use. Okay. So that is it. So guys, the soap is completely melted. Now the blender, I'm going to transfer it in my bottle, or you use any liquid bottle you have, any liquid soap bottle, any kind of bottle or anything, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to check my temperature, because if I'm going to add opitiphen on this, it's going to be about 50% or 60. Now it's 51, so it's okay to add my opitiphen. So allow it to cool down for like 2 minutes. So I'm going to add my oil. I'm going to add my oil to it. I'll stir once more again. So I'm going to put about half teaspoon of preservative. If you don't have any preservative by you, what you do is to put it in your fridge and use it. Take the ones you're going to use in the morning or in the night, anytime you're taking your bath, and allow it to stay for 1 week. That means you're going to be doing yours little by little. You don't need much more liquid, because if you don't add preservative, you will end up growing mold in your skin. So we don't want that. So our soap is ready. It's already filling. If you want to use this soap in your face and your body, you first apply it on your face and allow it to sit on your face like 1 minute or 2 minutes before you start washing. The same thing on your skin, so that the goodness of the powders that you use would work for your body. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share my video, like my video, and comment below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.